So, what exactly are SMART goals? It's an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Let's break it down. 1. Specific. Your goal needs to be crystal clear. Instead of I want to get in shape, try I want to run a 5K race. See the difference? The more specific, the better. 2. Measurable. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. How will you know you've achieved your goal? For our 5K example, your progress is easily measured in distance or time. 3. Achievable dream. Big, but be realistic. If you've never run before, aiming for a marathon next month might be a stretch. A 5K in 3 months, now that's achievable. 4. Relevant. Your goal should align with your broader objectives. If your ultimate aim is better health, a 5K run is relevant. Learning to juggle, maybe not so much. 5. Time bound. Set a deadline. Some day is not a day of the week. Having a target date creates urgency and helps you stay focused.